everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about some hidden face recognition settings, and the only reason why I say that they are hidden is because usually when you set it up, you might not notice these. You just usually set up your face profile and then you exit the screen and you never really go back. So the ones that we're going to talk about today is once you go back inside of your settings, you're going to scroll down underneath the biometrics and security. And then you want to go inside of face recognition, type in your password. Now, once inside of the screen, this is where you can see a whole bunch of different settings and options for only face recognition. So this add alternative look, this will definitely help if you're a female and maybe some days you try to unlock your phone and you have no makeup, and another day you have makeup and your look completely changes. Sometimes it doesn't work or it's a little slow. You can actually add in another look. If you're a guy, maybe you're wearing your hat backwards or you're pulling your hair back slick instead of standing straight up. So if it sometimes has a little hard issue, you're able to add in that alternative second look. Now for this one here, you have face unlock. It unlocks your phone when your face is recognized. So you definitely want to have that one turned on. This is one where maybe you only want it to be, staying on the lock screen. Sometimes you only look at your phone just to see notifications and the time, and you don't need it to, unlock. You're able to turn this one on. But when you try to get in your phone, just remember once you look at your phone, then you swipe the screen to unlock it. So that's one of the cool things you are able to turn on. Faster recognition, it's a way that you're able to get into your phone faster. Some people think it's a little bit more secure if you have this one turned off. But face recognition, it's really not already the most secure way to get in your phone. So you might as well just have it unlock faster. This one's actually pretty nice. So it's a way that maybe you don't want somebody to unlock your phone with the look of your face, but you're sleeping. So if you're sleeping and you want to make sure that your phone unlocks, it'll only unlock if your eyes are open. Then this way too, you can turn this one off, especially if you find this one bothering you at night, because sometimes when you are trying to wake up your phone, it'll brighten the screen. So this one's really up to your personal preference if you want this one on or off. So if you get annoyed with it being more bright, maybe in a movie theater or at home, you can turn it off. Then the very last one here is for Samsung Pass. So it's all of your Samsung passwords. Usually it's set up for your fingerprint because it's more secure, but you can turn it on for your face recognition if you want to. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of